welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the best Zobo drink, like the Zobo drink that actually tastes like wine. You need to watch this video till the end so that you start making your own Zobo drink that tastes like wine. And you're going to use Zobo, pineapples and some other ingredients. Do well to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell beside it so that you don't get notified whenever I post a new video. Give this video a like and let's quickly jump into the recipe. For this recipe, I'll be using Zobo leaves. These are my Zobo leaves and these are dry Zobo leaves. You can see it right here. And then I'll be using this quantity of ginger. And then I would also use cloves. These are about 10 or more cloves that I have here. Then I'll be using these two pineapples, these two small pineapples to sweeten it. That's basically it, the simple Zobo recipe that you'd enjoy. I'll start by washing my Zobo. I'm putting it into the pot. The back of the pineapple, the cloves, my ginger, apple chunks, like I just cut it in bits, and I'll add to it. I'll add water, enough to cover your Zobo and all your ingredients. And then we'll cook this for 45 minutes. Cooking your Zobo for a longer period is what actually gives it that wine taste. So we are going to cook this for 45 minutes like I earlier said, and then we'll see what comes out of it. So while waiting for my Zobo to cook, I would also prepare my pineapple juice. I remain some that I'll extract the juice. It will be what will act as my sweetener for the Zobo drink because I'm not adding any form of sugar at all. After 45 minutes, we turn off the heat and allow it to cool down a bit. So the next thing I do is to drain my Zobo. It's still a bit hot, so I'll just allow this to drain for a bit, then get as much juice out from this. I'll add my pineapple juice. I extracted pineapple juice from the pineapples, and then this is what I'm using as my sweetener. So I'll give this a stir. Let me give it a taste as well. This is so good. I'll allow it to cool down further, and then I'll turn it into my cup and have a feel. Our Zobo drink ready to drink. Delicious. Let me have a taste. You can drain your ice cubes there and you have a very wonderful Zobo that tastes like wine. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Do well to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like, and I'll see you again in my next video. Don't forget to make this recipe and let me know how it did go in the comment section. Bye.